Hello my lovely people, how are you? I do hope you're well. The plan today was I was going to do a tutorial with cat earrings today. I want to use some special earring wires. They're stainless steel and they've got a covering of 18 karat gold. They should have been with me by now. They've still not left China. They're delayed. I have really sensitive skin, so I have to watch what I use. I also want to make myself a pair as well, just have to hang fire for now. I don't normally send out orders today, but I've had somebody new has placed an order for some lovely charms and pendants, and they've asked if I could send it out. Because they need it by Friday. I don't mind doing that because if I'm away somewhere I can't do it. But I just thought I'd show you what they've ordered. Even if you can't see it in person, it looks much better on camera. All the other orders will be going out tomorrow. Thank you so much if you've placed an order with me. You are amazing. If you're a new subscriber, hello and welcome to my channel. I mainly do jewellery tutorials for complete jewellery beginners, but I do share videos of other arts and crafts and days out. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I have got so many tutorials. I have hundreds of tutorials available. Oh, the customer is Denise. Denise, I don't know if you're on here, Denise, but if you are, thank you so much for your order. Denise. Here she blows again. Oh. Oh. It's menopause. Oh my god, it's menopause. There's menopause. Do you have the menopause? Are you going through the menopause? Have you been through the menopause? I do have a website, lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, and although it's UK, I do send to USA and Canada. It's all sent tracked. You can leave feedback on my website, so it's completely transparent. You will find ready-made jewellery, lots that I make during my tutorials, craft and jewellery supplies, and I do cater for the jewellery beginner. Let me show you these gorgeous charms. Right, so first of all, we have some gold enamel donut charms. So fun. These are so fun. So we've got 3 of those. We have smiley face charms. We have 5 of those. These are all available individually. We have a love letter charms. We've got different design. There's that one, there's another one. And these are a different design. Backs. I'll just pop those in a, just put those in a bag. We've got, they're quite delicate, these. There's 10 tiny star charms. What else? We have these. These are great for Halloween. They're black bat charms. They remind me of PlayStation. Controllers. I've got some lovely controllers. Again, they sent one of each colour apart from white, because I like to see what they're like first of all. So I've got another lot coming. They may even be with me now. I've got a delivery to open up. But they're fun, so I should be making something out of that. So we've got black and white. Here's the backs, lovely backs. Put those in. Then we have some lovely leaf charms. I've got some acrylic leaf charms come in. Again, and they may be there at the moment. I just have to go through everything. I like making these. I like making the bag and phone charms at the moment. But these are enamel, lovely blue colour. So blue and yellow enamel charms. What else do we have? We've got some seahorse charms. We've got some seahorses. Very interesting creatures. Then we've got some peace charms, some doves. I've got 3 of those. We've got these tiny little gold hearts. Put those on. I'll pop those in a bag. As I say, the majority of these are all available individually, so you don't have to buy. Normally places, if you go to like eBay, normally places you've got to buy a pack of 10. I think I will just zoom in on these. We've got some more gold dove charms. We've got some lovely dragonfly charms. We've got some hollow stars and some gold leaves. I like these. I use these on my autumnal bangles with pine cone charms and squirrels. They're lovely. That reminds me, I think I need to get some more gold. So that's the lovely order from Denise. Which I am going to do a label for now and pop them in the post box. So again, I'll link the website down below if you want to take a look. And if you have placed an order, again, thank you so much. If you've watched my videos and commented, thank you so much. The comments, it could be anything. The comments can be anything. It could be emojis. It just helps the YouTube algorithm share my videos out to more people that may be interested. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting. Bye bye everyone.